Understanding the seed starting process will help you to answer questions and, as always, enable you to refer our customers to our Summer Winds website, resources, and local classes for more information. Sharing your knowledge will help guide our customers to success. So, now you have some of the basics of seed planting. To gain a better understanding, let's walk through the entire planting process that is typical for indoor seed starting. Once our customers have all their supplies, it is time for the fun. The first step involves finding the right spot for the seeds, typically placing the seedling tray near the brightest window in their home. Next, they'll prepare the tray or pots and sow the seeds according to guidelines on each seed packet. This could differ depending on the type of plant they've chosen. Remember, the best information will be found on the seed packet label. Now it is time to cover the seeds and monitor for moisture level and growth. Planting several seeds per pot is a great tip, as some might not germinate. After sowing, they will water the seeds thoroughly without drowning. The first few days the seeds are left undisturbed, as all that is required is to monitor water levels and wait for some green to show. Once they see some green peeking through, they'll need to set the tray cover aside. Now is the time for more light, or the use of the grow lights. They should set up a light at about 4 inches from the soil surface, adjusting as the seedlings grow to maintain a distance of 2 to 4 inches. The light should be left on for about 14 to 16 hours each day. Continued watering is crucial, keeping the soil moist, not soggy. When seedlings show their second set of leaves, as the first ones are not actually leaves, but are cotyledons, it is time for some water-soluble fertilizer. Thinning out the seedlings is the next step. After several weeks, the weaker seedlings below the cotyledons need to be removed using clean scissors, allowing room for the strongest ones to grow. Continued care during the germination process will include labeling the seeds, as it helps to identify seedlings. Observing and knowing when they'll be ready for transplanting is based upon the seed type. And remember, most seeds germinate best when the temperature is between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating mats should be used if keeping this temperature is difficult. Customers need to check their seeds daily. It's important to ensure the seeds are getting enough light as soon as a seedling emerges. Begin feeding as needed, and when the time is right, transition the seedlings to outdoors. When preparing to move seedlings outdoors, transitioning requires hardening off. This is a gradual process to prepare plants for outdoor conditions like wind, rain, and sun. Once the risk of frost has passed, place the tray outside in a shady spot for about 2 hours, then bring it back inside. Repeat this the next day. Then, on the third day, place the tray in the sun for about 2 hours. Repeat this each day, adding an hour of time outdoors daily. Once the plants are spending 8 hours of time in the sun every day, it's time for them to move outdoors for good. Once they can comfortably thrive outdoors through the night, seedlings are ready to transplant into the garden or into permanent outdoor containers or garden spaced apart at the proper distance according to the seed packet. Now you know the full process. Scroll below to learn more.